You can of course see the ARP table here. Either it is on the WAN interface or on the LAN interface. So I can go all and it will show me all the entries over here. Neighbor discovery protocol or NDP table. NDP will show you the neighbors which are connected to IPv6 with the MAC addresses. The ARP table will show you IPv4. Then is the netstat. Of course, you can see all the diagnosis related information, for example, interfaces, which interfaces are connected, whether you want to see the protocols, TCP, UDP, whether it is closed, whether it is open, whether it is dropped. Then if you want to see the active internet connections, so you will see here statistics, active internet connections. You can explore all of that and understand what exactly you want to diagnose. Here also you can go here to packet capture. If you want to capture a specific packet on a specific interface, you can do that as well. And then is ping, of course, standard. If you want to ping, for example, 10.11.12.1, and I want to check if I'm getting the response, you can see here, this is how it works. You can of course add multiple jobs here. You can of course check the port also, whether the port is open or closed. For example, I can see 10.11.12.101, which is Proxmox, and its port is 8006. So I will just check it here. You can see connection to this particular server was succeeded. If I want to check, for example, port 21, whether 21 is open, you can see connection is refused. 22, of course, which is my SSH port, it is succeeded. 80 port, of course, it is not open. 443 is not open. Or I can of course check any public server, for example, SyncBricks.com, and it's port 80. You can see here it's port 80 is open because this is my website. 443 is open. And let me check 22, which is SSH port. You will see it will be refused. It will not be able to connect. Same way, you can also do the trace route. For example, SyncBricks.com, the protocol TCP or UDP, I will just apply it. You can see here from this particular OPNsense, I'm connected to PFSense, and from PFSense, I'm connected to telecom service provider. So this is telecom service provider router, this is the PFSense, and then this is OPNsense on top of PFSense. Google.com, here you can see that I have gone from PFSense to the telecom internet service provider, and from there I have gone to telecom, which is avastra.om. So from here it was able to reach to the server. So depending upon which IP or which host name you want to trace, so you can do the trace route from here. So this was about the interfaces. We have checked all the aspects related to it. Let us continue to next video now.